Hello everyone, myself B.R. Basnet. Welcome you again to the AB Academy YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about a topic called transmission media. And if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the notification. So let's move. Before starting, let's see what we are going to discuss in today's video. In the beginning, we will discuss about the definition of transmission media, and in second, we will discuss about the classification of transmission media. So without getting any delay, let's get started. Transmission media. For the definition of transmission media, we can define it as the communication channel that carries the data or information from the sender to the receiver. The main functionality of the transmission media is to carry the data signals in the form of bits, that is 0 or 1, through the entire network system. So this is the definition of transmission media. Now let's move on to the next topic, classification. In the classification of transmission media, it is divided into guided media and unguided media. Today in this video, we will only cover about the topic guided media. Unguided media we will cover in the next video. So here we move. Guided media. Guided media is the physical media or medium through which the signals are transmitted in a specific path and in a specific direction. It is also known as bounded media, or in simple word we can say the guided media are the media which has the physical existence and carry the data signals in the form of bits through a specific path and in specific direction. Here you can see on the screen some of the examples of guided media, such as coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, shielded twisted pair cable, and unshielded twisted pair cable. Now let's see the examples of guided media as coaxial cable, fiber optics cable, and twisted pair cables. The twisted pair cable is again divided into shielded twisted pair cable and unshielded twisted pair cable. Now let's discuss them one by one. Coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is a cable which is commonly used for the transmission of data in the TV. The coaxial cable contains two conductors which run parallel with each other. If we dissect coaxial cable, then we will find three layers inside it. The innermost layer, which conducts the main data signals, is made up of copper, and the outer conductor is made up of copper mace. Now let's see the diagram below. In the diagram below, we can see that in the core section there is a main wire which is made up of copper and is responsible for conducting the data signal. Above it there is an insulator which protect and separate the outer core and the inner core. Above the insulator there is shield which is made up of copper mace, and the main responsibility of shield is to absorb the disturbing factors. And above it there is another insulator which is made up of plastic and it is called as jacket, and this jacket covers the entire wire for the protection. Now let's see the advantages of coaxial cable. The first advantage of coaxial cable is that it provides the high speed data transmission rate. Number 2, coaxial cable provides better shielding as compared to the twisted pair cable. Number 3, coaxial cable provides higher bandwidth for the data transmission. So these are the advantages of coaxial cable. Now let's see about the disadvantages. Number 1, disadvantage. Coaxial cable are more expensive as compared to two-state pair cable. Number 2, if any fault occurs in the coaxial cable, then the entire network system will affect. So these are the disadvantages of coaxial cable. Now let's move on to the next example, two-state pair. Two-state pair cable is a physical media made up of a pair of cables two-state with each other. The two-state pair cable is cheap as compared to other transmission media, and the installation of two-state pair cable is easy and has light weight. The types of two-state pair cable are shielded two-state pair and unshielded two-state pair. Now let's discuss about the shielded two-state pair. The shielded two-state pair is a cable that contains the mesh surrounded with the pair of wires. The cost of shielded two-state pair is not very high and not very low. The installation of shielded two-state pair is easy and has higher capacity for the data transmission as compared to unshielded two-state pair, and shielded two-state pair provides the higher data transmission rate. Shielded two-state pair is also said as STP in the short form. Now let's see the next example of two-state pair cable, which is unshielded two-state pair. Unshielded two-state pair is also referred as UTP, and it is a cable that is widely used for the transmission of data in the telecommunication. It is cheap and easy to install. This type of wire can be used for higher speed data transmission in the LAN. The UTP is categorized into different categories, starting from category 1 to category 5. The category 1 wires are generally used for telephone line transmission, and rest of the categories starting from 2 to 5 are used for the networking purposes. Now let's see the next example of guided media, which is fiber optics. Fiber optics cable is a cable that uses electric signals for the communication and are used to send the data by the pulses of light. When we dissect the fiber optics, we find 3 layers inside it. In the mid of the layer we will find core, which is made up of a thin layer of glass which conduct the data signal through it. Above it there is another layer called cladding, and the main function of cladding is to protect the inner layer, which is called core, as well as to lower the refractive index of the data signal so that the data travel in the core part. Above the cladding there is another layer which is called jacket and act as an insulator and protect the entire wire. So this plastic insulator, which is called a jacket, also protects the fiber optics from heat, cold and electromagnetic interference. So this is about the fiber optics. By this, today's video came to an end. Thank you very much.